Tahlia Mandie from Congoe.
So, imagine if you came here tonight and you knew exactly who was in this room before you actually walked through the door. Imagine if you knew how you were connected to people and who you should actually be connected to. We go to events to learn something or to meet people. Congoe is here to put the science into the networking process at the events people attend. How do we do this? We provide an app that not only gives all the event details in the palm of the user's hand, but through LinkedIn connections, powers the user with incredible data about the right people to meet. For the attendee, their homework is done. Meeting the right people is quick, efficient, and productive. For the event organiser, they want to give the utmost value to all their attendees and delegates, and they want to quantify the connections made at their networking event. Better events mean people will continue to come back, meaning more money, more dollars, more sponsorship, and more members. There is over 300 million users worldwide on LinkedIn, over 5 million in Australia, and we are leveraging this powerful social technology. How are we different? We are all about connections. We value connections. We give people the opportunity to meet the people they didn't actually know they needed to meet. We are currently in beta phase, working with key clients in Victoria and really excited to see where Congoe is going. And this is where our product roadmap is. We want to further develop and enhance our networking technology by creating a recommendation system and also taking it to larger organisations, companies that actually want to take connectivity, enhance connectivity internally and externally. We want to get to investors, we want to take this to the bigger market, we want to scale because this is something that people are constantly telling us they need.
Okay, thank you very much, Tahlia. Questions?
A better connected world, a better networked world is a good place for us all to go. So I think this is a really interesting concept. Something I just want to understand is the client the conference organiser who therefore charges me, the delegate who attends, to use the app? How do you? Because otherwise, why would they give away the attendee list?
No, our client is the conference organiser or the organisation that runs multiple events or single conference events. Our business model is we pay them, we have a partnership with them, and it's free for the user to download.
Okay, any more questions?
So how does that challenge or disrupt what's already there? So, you've got Meetup and LinkedIn, if they joined forces.
Yeah, you're right. Meetup, they have meetups, but they don't actually tell the people and the attendees of who they should actually meeting in the room. LinkedIn, you can use LinkedIn, but they're not specific to events and specific conferences and specific organisations. Across larger organisations, and you think about universities, they've all got different hub sets of alumni, different faculties, different subsets, and they're actually all working quite stagnantly and not together. And our feedback and where we're going is also that there's something sort of they want to collaborate together. And our market and our platform, we hope and we can see that this can actually bring collaboration and connectivity internally beyond events as well.
I'm interested in have you already got an algorithm that shows who is the person that I need to meet when I'm at a conference? Because that sounds like it would be the valuable part.
The answer is no, and this is where we're wanting to take the technology. And this is the next stage, because we actually think that this algorithm could actually really disrupt the market, and that's where we're wanting to go in terms of seeking investment, seeking funding to actually create this technology platform and networking platform.
Do you think you have time to do this before LinkedIn does?
LinkedIn have actually come out with a new app about this connecting. They've recently just created something. I think we do, yes, because we're in the market. There is nothing like this in Australia. There is nothing quite like what we're using and honing in on LinkedIn, and if we do this right and we do it really well, then I think there's big opportunities in how we can see going with LinkedIn too. Thank you.
All right, well, thank you. Thank you, Tahlia.